Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple and really cool way on how you can use the social proof tool to help you drive conversions to your offer. Let's get started. Now on this website, you'll notice small pop-ups on the lower left of my screen that simply lets others know that there are now others just like you who have shown interest and who have therefore opted in to this free leadership guide. So once your site visitor comes here and opts into your Mailing Boss form, we've set it up so that anyone who opts in will now show up as proof that they too are interested and have taken advantage of your free guide. Now let's go take a look on how we did this. All right, so next you're going to want to hop on over to the left here and click on Social Proof. Now because we already have an existing campaign, all I had to do is just go right here, select the campaign that's currently in existence. And where do we want it to show up? We want those little pop-ups to show up on exactly where I have the mailing list set up, which is my home page. Now, if I wanted to create a whole new social proof campaign, we can do that by clicking here. That will take you to the social proof tool. Okay, so here we are in the social proof dashboard. And as you can see, I have currently 2 campaigns. Now to get started with a brand new campaign, all you have to do is just select New Campaign and go through and enter all of the information. Since I have an existing campaign, what I'm going to do is close out of there and go into here and edit. So once you have an existing campaign, you have these options. You can edit the campaign, you can grab the embed code, you can view click statistics, you can show records, you can add ghost records, or you can delete the campaign in its entirety. So right now what I want to do is just show you what it looks like or what I've keyed in for this campaign. I've keyed in the name of the campaign, and then here, when people visit my site and they see those pop-ups, well, what's the message that I want on those pop-ups? Well, I want them to know that each one of these participants that are popping up, they each have downloaded a free copy once they've entered their information into my Mailing Boss form. Now here is the type of form that I used. And again, I used Mailing Boss, but just so you know, you can also use social proof for others. You can use it for e-learning, webinar form, Cheetah members area, Cheetah contact form. That's pretty cool. Next, we have the URL that you can actually attach to those pop-ups so you can make them clickable to navigate your site visitors to a specific area. For this example, I left it on the home page. Translation, you can go in here and select the correct translation. Next, we have pop-up timing. Now, for this example, for the sake of the tutorial, I decreased the amount of time in between each pop-up. Realistically, you may want to keep it to maybe 15 or 20 seconds. Next, you have the pop-up display duration, meaning once that pop-up is displayed, how long will it be displayed for? Here I have 3 seconds. And then you have pop-up appearance. So you can select dark and the default. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it at the default and keep scrolling down. Next we have the icon where you can add an image to your pop-up. Then down below, all you have to do is select show user location. Next we have display on mobile position on the screen. So do you want those pop-ups to be able to be displayed on your mobile devices? Now down here is where you will select where you want that pop-up to be displayed. So for this example again, I selected bottom left. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done here, all you have to do is save it. All right, so next, once we're all done, we can go grab the embed code. But before that, let me show you the click statistics. When you click on click statistics, it shows you today's clicks, yesterday's clicks, past 7 days, last month's clicks, and total clicks. Next, you have show records. These are the different participants who have already opted in and now are showing up as pop-ups. The next one's going to be ghost records. So in addition to the legit real records, right, that are actually going through Mailing Boss, you can also set up ghost records. So you can go in here and you can set a specific ghost. So you can go in here and add a ghost. So let's go in here and add me. Country display. city display, ghost action time. So how long ago did they register? What I'm going to do, 20 minutes ago, add record, and there you go. The record has now been added. And finally, you can delete your campaign right here. So next, let's go back up to Get Embed Code. I'm going to click on that. And here it gives you a brief instructions on where to place this. Copy this code to the head part of your web page to display social proof pop-ups. So we're going to go ahead and select copy. Next, what we're going to do is go back into Cheetah. And I'm going to go to Site Settings. Next, we're going to go up to the very top. Click here for Script Settings. And this is where you'll go in and right-click and paste your code right here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Save. Now we have the final step. The next thing you want to do is go over to My Pages, select the home page for this example, because that's where our social proof will pop up. So we're going to click Edit Page. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Mailing Boss form. We're going to right-click, and here you'll see a bunch of icons. Right here with a thumbs up, you have social proof. So if you select that, this is where you'll go in and select the social proof campaign from the drop-down menu. So again, I had two different campaigns. This is the one I'm going to select. And next, all you have to do is select the field form. So for this example, we have first name, the email address, or the actual question. So here, I want to select the first name. So when those pop-ups come up, I want the pop-up of the name of the person who opted in. I'm going to go ahead and select Save. All right, and here we are. The site is live. And this is how you go in and you set up the Builderall social proof. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.